Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you your options about alarms and sounds in your Do Not Disturb mode on Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. From the main screen we have to go to Settings, to Notifications and Do Not Disturb. And here we can find alarms and sounds. We can click on this. And here we can choose which alarms and sounds would be turned on while our Do Not Disturb time mode will be working. For example, we can turn them off, or we can turn on all of them, and we can choose the one that we are interested in. For example, calendar events, and media sounds, they will be working while our Do Not Disturb mode will be working. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, I invite you for our other videos from Galaxy A55 5G series, and hope to see you in one of this video again. Bye!